In this video, we're going to cover the steganographic process. So if we want to embed something inside of a file to be able to hide it so no one would know how to access it unless they knew the key to decrypt the information, we're going to first have what is called a carrier or a cover file. We'll then take whatever document, file, image, etc. that we want to cover. We're going to take that embedded, it's called a payload, and we're going to embed it inside of the carrier using a key. So we're going to use an encoder algorithm that uses that key to put the embedded inside the carrier file to produce a Stego-medium or Stego-object. This is basically the embedded data plus the carrier, and that's going to be our new message. So if you were to look at the difference between the original image and the new Stego-medium, by the naked eye, you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. But if you look closely at the numbers here in the bottom left, you'll notice that the R, G, and Bs are all slightly off. Not enough for the eye to notice. In order to recover the embedded, we need to run it through the decoder. This time I'm going to use the key to decrypt it to extract the secret image and the cover file. So to show you how this is done, we're going to use the Linux environment and we're going to install steghide. Steghide is going to allow us to embed and extract data from a carrier file. So follow the instructions on this slide, pause this video, and then come back to compare your answer. All right, welcome back. So for my cover file, I'm going to use shattered1.jpg, which comes from our cryptography video series. I have the shattered1 PDF, which I've converted to this JPEG file. And then I'm going to create my embedded file. So to do that, first I'm going to navigate to my downloads directory and check to see that I have my shattered image there. And then I'll go ahead and create the embedded file. So I'll do sudo nano secrets.txt, and I'll embed my secret message. As you can see, my secret message is super original. I'll go ahead and exit out of it and save it, and then make sure that I have steghide installed using sudo apt install steghide. As you can see, I already have the latest version of steghide, but if you don't have it installed, this is how you would do it. Now I'm going to embed my embedded file inside of the cover file using the steghide command. So I'm going to run the command steghide embed, and then I'll use shattered1.jpg as my cover file, so -cf, and then I'll use secrets.txt as my embedded file, ef. It asks me for a passphrase, so I enter the passphrase once. Then it asks me to re-enter it, so I enter it again. And now it has embedded that secrets.txt inside of the JPEG file. So now what I'm going to do to reverse this is I'm going to remove the secrets.txt file. Ask me to confirm that I want to remove it, and yes. I'm going to make sure that you can see that the secrets.txt file is gone. So we'll do steghide, and this time we're going to use extract instead of embed, and our stego file is the shattered1.jpg. I'll go ahead and hit enter. It'll ask me for my passphrase, so I'll enter it. It says that it extracted the secrets.txt. If I show the directory, you'll notice that we have secrets.txt appears again. Thanks for watching my video. Feel free to click the links here to watch the next video of the playlist, continue to the next playlist, or subscribe.